guys. Here we have Manu. We two just met and we're walking to Central right now. Everybody's meeting there around like what? 7. Our train's at 7:55, so probably let's say 7:50.
Yeah, we can have something in Campbelltown. Everything there. You just got a raincoat in this bag.
Just a cheap bag.
We have 1 more hour to reach the Met Garden. Here, look at it. So guys, we're in Campbelltown right now. I heard there's nothing in here.
I mean, look over there. You see anything there?
There's trees. But we're going to the mall here, MacArthur Square. No, it definitely is. Guys,
Madden's fault.
we're going right there. Madden's, you can even see it. Isn't it so nice that they have a walking track here? This does not feel like hiking, it feels more like walking in the
Yeah,
park.
this is more like a casual.
Yeah, it's nice though. I can hear the sounds.
That's it.
There's never gonna be a day where I'm not gonna like waterfalls. What do you mean? You see this? This is so fire. Guys, we're back to our car and now we're planning to go to a different place.
If you want, you can just bite that.
To Simbayo National Park.
Yeah,
I
wildlife
didn't
park,
even know
national,
that.
sure, whatever.
What was
Yeah,
the
we're gonna go there.
landmark there?
Simbayo.
SYMBIO. Yeah.
അപ്പം ഇങ്ങനെ ബുക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്ന
Unplanned zoo visit. So where are we?
We are just here, so we have to cover.
We got it, yeah, that is true.
They definitely aren't as fast as cheetahs, mind you, they are still pretty quick and can get up to top speeds of about 90 kilometres an hour. But the one
You see this? It's crazy. Nice. Good job, good job. Oh. Oh. No, I didn't know they could hold things. Sorry.
Of course, one of those things is those beautiful jet black colorations. Now, what you're looking at here is an example of what is called your alpine blotch blue tongue. You also have your lowland. Come here, Charlie. There we go. Alright, you're gonna sit. He's swimming along. He doesn't even have to see his friend.
Wow.
It'll want to know it's there. You can actually detect the vibrations.
Yeah, no, you can feel it.
To sneak up and ambush is crazy. Feel free to ask myself or Chloe. We'll be more than happy to answer them.
Got out of the reptile show. It was so cool. Oh my god. I even got to touch a lot of reptiles. Really cool. Now we're going to a cafe to find some food because we're all hungry. We got the ice cream and now we're gonna go and see a show.
It's absolutely insane for how small these animals actually are. So those bites from devils can absolutely pack a punch. Now, in saying that, this is where I guess people get their main senses, but you can often hear it. Devil sneezing and coughing. Now what they're doing is actually clearing the smell molecule.
Guys, do you see this? These are passion fruit. Bro, I haven't seen passion fruit in so long. Chicken? Chicken?
Let's take it.
It's chicken? Bro, that's like fluffy chicken.
You grab one.
Is it chicken? Oh, bro, what? I thought it was. Is it not a chicken? Pom-poms as heads. Looking around. It's such a nice day for this. Look at this. Oh my god.
These are.
Oh, that's my sister. Yo. Am I? Or no? Oh.
Maybe you're supposed to.
Yeah, we're not even doing anything. We're just. Because now we're at a random temple. I can't take pictures inside, but I can take it outside. So I got puri and chana. You got
Masala dosa and filter coffee.
yeah.
I got idli vada.
What is that?
That's also masala dosa.
And this is masala dosa.
Masala.
We're gonna enjoy this. So guys, we're done with the food, and now we are heading to the Sea Cliff Bridge. I also got a flower from the temple. It's such a cool temple. It's very detailed. We're at the car park and we'll be walking up to see the bridge. Let's go! But the views here are really nice too. We're gonna be walking. We're just walking across the coastal vibes. Oh my god, look at that. This is actually so fire. Yeah, they're figuring things out. While me, enjoying the view, guys. Look at the view. Oh my god.
Really? Are you sure we should go in?
I guess.
Yeah, that.
Chill. Oh, I don't like to touch the rope. It's true. Moina. So we're walking through the forest right now. Oh, they literally have ropes to climb up. Well, that's the fun thing about hiking. Look at that now. It's big. This is an actual hike. We got to the cliff, guys. Do you see that? Oh my god. That's so fire. Oh, look at you. Bro, this hiking thing. Look at all of them. They're so fun. We're just done with the cliff walk. It was really fun. Oh my god. It's really nice. We're just waiting on the 3 other people there. But it was such a fun hike. Oh my god. I think we're gonna go back to Central now. Peace. Guys, we're at the train station. I don't know what the name is, but we're probably an hour away, right? Half an hour away from Central. So we're gonna get into the train. Holsworthy. We're in Holsworthy, and from there it's about 30 minutes to get to Central. We'll be there. Station. It's crazy. Oh yeah, no, I think I listened to everything. We're in Central, and now, last stop of the day, we're going to Yochi. We're gonna be having some ice cream. Let's go. Yay. So guys, the Yochi is like right there. Yo, we're in Yochi. I'm gonna try the strawberry cream. The spread chocolate wafer. This is what it looks like. Look at this, guys. Yeah. Man. A lot of them. This is good, right? Today was a very adventurous day. We did a lot of things that I didn't even know that we were gonna be doing. For example, going to the zoo, to just, you know, the lookout spot, because all we had in our mind was a simple hike to the falls, but we did way more than that, and it was really fun. I left around 7 something here, and right now it's around 8, so more than 12 hours. Yeah, but it was really fun. In the morning because of all the things we did today. But yeah, that should be it. I'll come with more vlogs, guys.